Hello guys, in this video I will show you the weird fix that basically fixed my mic problem on PS5, or it should work on Xbox as well. So you need to go to settings, then you need to go to audio, and on audio make sure to put the input gain to 1.1. What it does, simply close it and then go back on settings, and now as you can see it should change input gain to 1.2. Input gain to 1.2. So what you need to do here is to change back to 1.1, save the changes, go back, and now input gain should be 1. And now it should work normally and your mic should be fixed. If for some reason this is not working, then what I suggest to do here is to, as you can see here on the top, you should see restore defaults, and look if the problem persists, and also make sure that audio quality is on high and voice chat is always on, and set your mic as loud as possible. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.